Have you ever stopped to wonder why October is absolutely showering us with acorns right now? That tiny nut you're stepping on holds more forest wisdom than you'd ever imagine. It's October 2025, and if you're walking through a park or forest right now, you're probably crunching through a carpet of acorns underfoot. But here's the secret. That simple crunch represents one of nature's most brilliant survival strategies. October isn't just when acorns fall. It's when entire forest ecosystems reset and renew themselves for the coming year. Let's crack open these seed secrets. So why October specifically? The timing is everything. After spending spring and summer photosynthesizing and building energy, oak trees have stockpiled enough resources to produce these power-packed seeds. The shortening days and cooler temperatures of October signal the trees that it's time to release their precious cargo. But here's where it gets fascinating. Oaks don't just drop acorns randomly. Many species practice something called masting, where they coordinate to produce massive acorn crops in certain years, while producing very few in others. This bumper crop strategy overwhelms seed predators like squirrels and deer, ensuring that at least some acorns survive to become the next generation of mighty oaks. Now let's talk about the acorn itself. That little nut is actually a nutritional powerhouse wrapped in a protective shell. Inside each acorn is a miniature oak tree embryo, complete with its first leaves and roots, all packed with starches, proteins, and fats. The bitter tannins that make raw acorns unpalatable, that's intentional chemical warfare against insects and animals. But clever creatures and humans have learned to process them. What's truly mind-blowing is how acorns know when to sprout. They can remain dormant through winter, waiting for the perfect conditions in spring. Some acorns even require freezing temperatures to break dormancy, ensuring they don't sprout prematurely during a warm autumn spell. This timing is crucial for survival, but the real secret weapon, acorns are designed for dispersal. Their smooth, rounded shape allows them to roll away from the parent tree, reducing competition. Some even float, allowing rivers and streams to carry them to new territories. And here's something you might not know. Different oak species have evolved different acorn strategies. White oaks produce sweet acorns that sprout almost immediately in fall, while red oaks produce bitter acorns that wait until spring. This diversity ensures that if conditions aren't right for one type, the other might succeed. The ecological impact is staggering. Acorns support over 100 species of wildlife, from the obvious squirrels and deer to wild turkeys, blue jays, woodpeckers, and even bears preparing for hibernation. In a good acorn year, these creatures thrive, reproducing more successfully and storing fat for winter. But humans have a long history with acorns too. Indigenous cultures across North America and Europe used acorns as a staple food source for millennia. They developed sophisticated processing methods to remove the tannins, creating nutritious flour that could be stored for years. Some estimates suggest acorns provided up to 50% of the diet for certain California native tribes. Modern research is rediscovering acorns' potential as a sustainable, gluten-free food source. Interestingly, the pattern of acorn production can even predict wildlife populations and forest health. Scientists study acorn crops to forecast everything from tick populations to deer herds. A bumper acorn year often means more mice, which means more ticks, which can affect Lyme disease rates the following year. It's all connected. What makes October 2025 particularly special for acorn watchers? We're coming off several years of climate stress for many forests. Watch for patterns. Are oaks producing more or fewer acorns than usual? This could tell us how well they're adapting to changing conditions. Remember that acorn you almost stepped on. It represents centuries of evolutionary wisdom, a complete survival package that's been perfected over millions of years. Next time you see one, appreciate the incredible journey it represents, from tiny seed to mighty oak, supporting entire ecosystems along the way. Have you noticed any interesting acorn patterns in your area this October? Share your observations in the comments below.